Hey there, hot tubbers. Tyrell here. Just want to help you get rid of cloudy water. The three main things you're going to want to do: ensure that your hot tub is circulating 24 hours a day. So up those filter cycles, make sure you got a clean filter. So if it's not, you can use a filter cleaner product to clean it and also rinse it. And then you want to use your test strips to ensure that the pH is right, the alkalinity is right, and that you're starting to get sanitizer into the hot tub. Most likely why the hot tub turned cloudy is low sanitizer level. You'll add your chlorine. The next thing you can do is add a shock. So you either a maze or the oxygen pouches. Oxygen pouches also have some chlorine in it, so that will help get that sanitizer level up. And to speed up the whole clarification process, you got a party on the weekend, toss in a cube or toss in some nature sheen that has clarifiers in it and just clears up the water. When in doubt, if everything's going poorly, you can also drain out the water completely. We do recommend cleanse and drain before you do that. Thanks so much.